The scientific community has known since the 1960s that chlorine dioxide is the pound-for-pound, greatest of all time powerhouse of disinfectants. It destroys mold, bacteria, and harmful viral pathogens at an unprecedented kill rate. So, why don't we use it for more applications? Because the disinfectant and sanitization industry has not found a delivery application that is safe or clean. Until now. Until the Pharma Room Surface Wash. In its natural gaseous state, chlorine dioxide is highly flammable and reactive. It is both a fire and explosion hazard. This also means it is both difficult and expensive to contain and transport. To fumigate a space with the gas requires evacuation, tarps, fences, hazmat suits, and multiple warning signs. To clean water supplies, the gas has to undergo a change of state, from gas to a solid matter. Once it is turned into a dissolvable powder or liquid, it can be added to unpotable, bacteria-infested water sources in order to kill harmful, potentially fatal contaminants. To achieve turning the gas to a solid requires combining the chlorine dioxide with a highly acidic sodium chloride, which is extremely toxic at high levels. Imagine laundry or dishwasher tablets. Solid chlorine dioxide leaves behind a potentially harmful trace contaminant in the water source it has been added to. To remove powerful odors, chlorine dioxide in its liquid state proved to be extremely effective. The downside is that it is extremely toxic. It is called chlorine. The most common cleaning product you can find in your household that contains liquid chlorine dioxide is household bleach. Bleach can cause burns, loss of sight, and loss of life if ingested. In not a single state, gas, solid, or liquid, is chlorine dioxide safe or clean. But water is. Deionized water is the perfect carrier to deliver the chlorine dioxide, but only if someone could find a way to trap the gas inside the water molecule. It would be stable, clean, and safe. It would require zero mixing, zero rinsing, and leave behind zero residue or film. It would have all the strengths of chlorine dioxide with none of the negatives of previous delivery systems. This is what the brains behind the Pharma Room Surface Wash have achieved. Just spray our surface wash onto a contaminated surface or a patch of black mold. Use a fogger to mist the surface wash into your gym, your theater, your office, your home, or your store. Pour the recommended amount into your animal's water supply to ensure their health and safety. Clean out smelly drains or water lines. The 60-year-old riddle of how to cleanly deliver chlorine dioxide has been solved. Now the world can experience the benefits. And with problem pathogens changing how we need to survive and connect with one another, what better timing than now? What better time to introduce the Pharma Room Surface Wash?